How to upload Facebook high quality photo, videos, and a story. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and I'm here to guide you on how to upload Facebook high quality photo, videos, and a story. Watch the video till the end. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Facebook app on your device. Make sure to log in and sign into your account. Tap on three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. On this menu bar, select Setting and Privacy. Choose Settings. Once you get access to Settings and Privacy, scroll down. Under Preferences section, choose Media and tap on it. Once you are here, select the Video Quality to Optimize and checkmark Optimize box. Select Autoplay option on mobile data and Wi-Fi and checkmark its box. Once you do that, and whenever you upload photo, videos, and story on Facebook, it will be uploaded on high quality. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.